What is up, guys? So it is the new year and I got my first January glove box of 2019, which I am super excited about. Yet another awesome glove box, probably most likely. Most of them have been pretty cool. It is January, so basically it's freezing cold outside and it is obnoxious with the snow and wind. So I decided that I'm gonna bring a part of the Jeep inside the house so I could try to see how these products are, show you what's inside the box, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so I already cut the box open and here we go. Let's see what goodies we have here in this beautiful glove box. All right, so here is the menu. So it says Happy New Year from the GloveBox guys, and it also talks about checking out their GloveBox YouTube channel on suggestions and things like that. I do kind of miss the handwritten notes, I gotta say. But all right, so let's get started. All right, so we have, looks like, a nice edgeless microfiber towel. This looks like a pretty nice towel, actually. So it's a short fiber, probably great for like wax removal and stuff like that. Next, we have a GloveBox decal or sticker. And what is this? All right, so this looks like an applicator, and that is Buff and Shine Premium Red Foam Applicator, high grade 4.5 inch foam pad for hand waxing, obviously. So the next product, what do we have here? This is, that looks like a waffle towel for basically cleaning glass, which that works on very well. So this is an auto fiber double glass flip, and it is two-sided for streak-free glass cleaning. So I don't have a part of the Jeep here for the glass, but I do have a glass table that we can try this on and see how it does after we're done with this. What else do we have here? Oh, cute. I gotta say, I wasn't expecting a party popper in here, but that's actually kind of pretty funny that you guys put a party popper in here. Congratulations, GloveBox. You are probably the first company to successfully ship an explosive through the USPS. That's funny. All right. What do we have here? All right, so this is native Brazilian Carnauba paste wax from Monix. So let's do some research on this, shall we? So here is what I found. So this is actually smells like wax. So this is actually a directly from Brazil, legit Brazilian Carnauba car wax. And so this stuff is, here it says Monix native Brazilian Carnauba wax paste, or paste wax, high purity and 100% Brazilian, and the home of Carnauba wax. So this actually supposedly comes directly from the Carnauba tree. And one of the biggest things is that these guys are saying that they are using the highest purity wax for this, and also that it's actually, I believe, 50% by volume Carnauba wax. So it is pretty decent, seems like. So we'll try this on the roof and we'll see how much of it we can use sparingly to get this panel done. And then last but not least, this is actually a really good size. So this is from Mothers. Mothers is actually one of my favorite companies as far as like metal polishes and other things. I mean, their aluminum polish I've been using forever. Their plastic polish is amazing for like dashes or like bezels and plastic pieces. So I've been using their stuff for quite a while. And if it's any good as any of the other products, I'm sure that this stuff is just awesome. All right, so I actually have here Adams Polish's waterless wash that was actually shipped to me through the GloveBox that I have actually not been able to use. So what I'm gonna do is that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean this dirty panel up with the waterless wash, and the microfiber actually comes from GloveBox as well. So let's try to clean that up. There's a lot of salt buildup on this as well. And here's what I gotta say about the Adams. I don't know, not the greatest, to be honest. Kind of shocking for Adams that you could see. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see where the fingerprints are and stuff like that, where this dirt is. It doesn't exactly easily take it off. I do have to tell you that I have not yet waxed these panels on the Jeep, so maybe that's why there's salt and grime buildup on it. So I don't like the fact that even with this waterless wash, I have to really rub. So if you're doing your car, and especially if it's black, that's not gonna be really a great thing. I'm gonna try to clean this up the best I can with a waterless wash. So I gotta say, Adams polishes, I mean, I'm pretty obsessed with Adams stuff. I love Adams stuff, everything that I've used so far. This, I'm not really kind of feeling it. Anyhow, not too crazy about this waterless wash from Adams. It does smell amazing. It does really smell good, but the problem is, to me, it's not really taking off that big residue that was on here. So I guess that's the whole point of GloveBox, is you find out the products that you like and the products that you don't like. I guess I'm gonna, oh geez. So this stuff is like, almost like dry. I guess I'll just rub it into this applicator. The paste wax is very gritty, it's not soft, it's very gritty, buttery. So it is like a wax that melts, but if you could almost hear it, how gritty it is, which might be good, might be bad. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start applying it as the directions say. It says, clean and decontaminate the vehicle's paint. Apply this product using the included foam applicator in the package, making uniform movements without leaving spaces between the strokes. Wait 3 to 5 minutes. Carefully remove the product using a high quality microfiber towel, observing the achieved results. Applying a second layer will provide even a greater shine. So this type of Carnauba wax, it is dedicated more to, I would say, black paint, especially like my F-250, but that is there's no way I could bring a piece of that truck into the house. I'm gonna leave the other side of the roof, the other roof panel, unwaxed, and we're gonna check in next month to see how it did comparing to the other panel, and going through the car wash and things like that. I gotta say, This actually feels pretty good. So I'll do a second coat, because I mean, most of the time, almost everybody does 2 coats of wax just to be sure. So let's do that. So here's what I found that kind of helps to get this out of here is you make it into like one of these things, squish it, get some on there, squish it, get some on there, turn, and so forth. I gotta say, I really do like this applicator. It's pretty comfortable. It grips really nicely to like, you could even grab it a certain way to kind of get into these grooves and edges. So that's kind of cool. I really do like this kind of applicator. It's better than the little foam applicators or whatever. This is like, feel like it gives you a lot more control. And not only that, it doesn't make your hand as tired. So right away, I do see that it leaves a great shine. Obviously, Carnauba is amazing stuff. And I gotta say, there isn't really any streaks that I see that are left behind by the wax, which is really nice. There's no, none of that like, what do you call it? Like a greasy finish left over, which, oh yeah, this actually feels really good. And just like anybody, whoever's gonna touch your paint after waxing, just see how it feels. I mean, that's almost like what everybody does. They wax and then they feel what it feels like right away. So I got that. And let's see how this does. Ready? Not bad. Definitely not bad. All right, so it's kind of hard to see the glass, but let's do this. Clean both sides of it. Wow. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. You can see the streaks go away nicely. Try to play with this focus a little bit so you get to see the whole glass. So this stuff actually works very well. So here is the coupon codes for this glove box. So this wax definitely gives it a nice reflection surface. Doesn't leave any streaks behind. Which looks great. Non-greasy and definitely feels nice. Once again, I want to thank GloveBox for an amazing glove box. Happy New Year to GloveBox, and thank you for shipping me another box. Head on over to gloveboxdetail.com to check out what they have to offer. I believe you could even build your own boxes with previous month's products. Make sure to use coupon code Mohawk to get yourself a 20% off discount. And thanks for watching, guys. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will have more detailing products and detailing product reviews coming up. Thanks for watching. Later.